Hello, today I will be teaching you how to make phantom, and this is one of my designs, and if you're ready we can start now. So what you want to do is you want to fold this edge to this edge and make sure everything is precise, as if all the creases are not precise then your future folds will not be precise either. Now you want to unfold, and you want to fold this top edge to this left edge. After you've done that, you're going to do the same, but folding this top edge to the right now. And you need to make sure it goes right through that corner. Okay, now you're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to make a line through this intersection, and when it reveals that whole part, you're going to stop folding and you're going to crease like this. Now you're going to turn back and poke the middle like that, and these flaps will pop up. You're going to push it in like this, and you're going to fold it down like so. Now what you want to do is you want to take this flap, this raw edge, and fold it to the edge, the folded edge. But you're not going to fold all the way, you're only going to fold until it hits the center crease. So, you're only going to hit until here. And you're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to fold, only hitting until there. And you're going to fold those both down. Now what you want to do is you want to fold this whole flap up so that it lines on this edge, and this is flattened as well. And that forms a new crease right here. And you're going to fold that down, and you're going to fold it to this side, and you're going to do the same. Okay, you're going to unfold all of this, and you're going to fold this line to the center crease. And you're going to do the same here. Fold it to the center crease, and you're going to fold down, and you are going to get two more new creases. Now you're going to fold all the way here, and making sure that this is still flat, you're going to fold this raw edge all the way up to this edge over here. And you're going to fold all the way up until it reaches wherever it stops. So I am going to keep on going until I meet at a stop. And it seems my one is right there. Now I want to fold this to the center crease. And this is going to be a reference. And you're going to fold, and you're going to end your fold right there. And that is going to come all the way down. And that is going to be your wing shape. Now you're going to fold it back. And you're going to repeat all of that on the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold the raw edge to the folded edge, and you're going to fold this flap right here to the center crease. And you're going to stop your crease right there, and you're going to keep on going until it reaches the bottom. And now we've got looking like this. What what you want to do is fold it to the center crease, like this. And you want to fold it back, like this. And you're going to unfold and reverse that. And we've got this pocket right here. You're going to fold it inside. Same here. You're going to fold until you reveal that edge, and you're going to fold that inside. Now you want to fold these up. And to make it easier, you might want to fold these out. Because what we're going to do is we're going to reverse this. And reverse that like that. And it's going to have a straight profile. Same here. You're going to fold to this point that you have created right here, all the way down into this pocket. Now what you want to do is you want to open this and fold this to the middle. It's like a petal fold. So right there all the way to the center crease. And you're going to fold all the way down here. Now we're going to fold back. And now we're going to fold our wings. And because this plane is a jet, you're going to start your crease right here. And I'm going to poke that right there. You're going to fold this whole bottom edge down and fold this up all the way until it hits this edge of the wing. And you're going to do that on the other side. You're going to fold it until it hits this edge of the wing. And that is going to be your wings. Now before you do that, you're going to fold this in half. And then again. Now just to make sure everything is in place, you're going to fold your thing. You're going to fold your wings like this. And now you want to fold your real wings from this point right here all the way to here. And you're going to copy that on the other side. And you would be done, but because this plane does not look tidy, this area is very untidy, and because it's just laying like that, what we want to do is we want to fold this in like this. So I'm going to make a reference point, fold this all the way out, and then you're going to have a line here. You're going to fold it to there, and now you're going to fold your edge to your folds, to your crease over there. And now we're nearly done, and we need to do one more crease until it's fully done completely. And now, as you can see, your plane does not want to open up, it wants to close. And if you saw the landing gear, it has landing gear, and you're going to take that out. Like this. You want to make sure your landing gear is tidy as well, and it really stands when you want it to stand. You're just going to fold them out. So this is at a 90-degree angle, and this is at a 90-degree angle. Or another way to fold them is you're going to fold this edge to this corner right here. And that is also going to create a 90-degree angle. So this corner to this edge, this corner needs to meet up with this at a 90-degree angle. Okay, we are nearly done. There's only one more step left, and that's to fold some winglets. And you want to start your winglets. About only 1 centimeter. About 1 centimeter, so like a finger length. And you want to make it smaller and smaller. So it's going to get from bigger all the way to smaller. And it's not going to touch right there. It's going to be at least 1/2 centimeter of a gap between those. And you're going to do the same here. I'm going to make sure there's a small gap and fold it all the way to here. And this is a finished Phantom. Now, when you are flying this plane, it is most likely to roll. So if it does roll, what you want to do is, so basically, if it rolls this way, you want to fold a bump here. And what that is going to do is a bump here. And what that's going to do is when the plane's flying and it's rolling over, this little bump is going to catch some air and it's going to pull it down because of all the air rushing through the wings here. So you might want to do that, and you might experiment with them. And that's how your plane might fly. It might be a bit frustrating, but you'll get there. So if you like this model, then please leave a like and subscribe if you're new, because you know it's a new channel and I really want to grow. So yes, please subscribe, because this has been my dream since I was a very little kid. And I love this plane a lot. Thank you so much.